Hello guys, please do the needful to subscribe to my channel. Jola Toyami. Please do the needful. My next role, I want to play like actor Nosa. Do you know him? Because I like contus. Yeah, especially when it make the ultimate sound. Yes, yeah, I'm going to play his role for you so that you can watch. And please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, please. Thanks. Just do the needful and subscribe to my channel and stay active to watch it grow. Yeah, I'll make it look very real, like he's the one that acting. Yeah, please subscribe. Thanks.